In this video, I want to show you how to do a screenshot on your iPhone 16e. So to do it, you need to press at the same time the volume up button, this one, and the power button. Okay, at the same time, one, two, three. You're going to see a preview appearing on the lower left side. If you don't touch it, it will disappear and it will get saved in the camera roll of your iPhone. Right over here in the photos, here we go, this is the screenshot. But if you press on it, so let me do another screenshot. If you tap on it, you're going to have more options appearing to you. So over here, you'll be able to edit. The small pen is to simply make an annotation. Let's say you want to circle something, you can do it. You can press the garbage bin if you don't like it, you just want to get rid of it. And by the way, you can adjust the corners if you simply want to save a certain part of your screenshot and not the whole thing. And at the end, you can also press this button over here on the top right corner, and you'll be able to share it with your favorite apps. Your favorite contacts will appear here. Or if you want to save it on your iPhone, you can click on Save to File. On my iPhone, simply click Save, and it will be saved with all your other files. Okay, if I go here, here we go. It's in the Files app. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.